Here at Rooter Hero, we specialize in trenchless sewer repair for your home or business. Our process, called trenchless pipe bursting, allows us to replace your sewer lateral from house to property line by bursting out your old pipe and replacing it with a new one without having to dig up your property. First, we run a camera down into your sewer pipes to identify any potential problems. Once we determine the sewer line is able to be rehabilitated, we dig 2 small pits, one for entry and the other for exit. Next, we position the bursting head into the hose pipe and then connect a cable from the bursting head to the pneumatic press at the end location. Once engaged, the pneumatic press slowly pulls the bursting head all the way through the entire length of the pipe, bursting out the old damaged pipe while simultaneously pulling in a brand new pipe. The new pipe is heat fused, eliminating seams or joints, preventing any future root penetration or leaks. The pipe is then connected on both ends, using contractor-grade connection fittings, ensuring a watertight seal. Once completed, we then backfill the small pits and restore your property back to its original condition. If you would like to learn more about our trenchless sewer rehabilitation process, give us a call today at 888-929-HERO or visit our website at www.rooterhero.com.